Welcome back. I hope you're ready to start doing some exciting stuff and actually getting our WordPress site looking like a website, and it's going to happen quick. So, I mentioned that I don't usually recommend anybody buy much of anything. I'm cheap and I don't like to pay money, and I know that there are a bajillion free WordPress plugins out there, and you are welcome to use those. But what I've learned is that when it comes to being able to just crank out websites and make websites that are beautiful, I love Betheme. I have bought it myself a bunch of times. I make all my clients buy it when they have me design sites for them and stuff like that. And so it is fantastic. And one of the things is just my tip. I'm not afraid to send people to this site. I'm not afraid to tell my clients, come to this site, take a look at the 450 designs, tell me what you like, and let's get it done. And so what I tell people is when you come to this website, this Muffin Group site, you want to get an idea. You don't really care about the pictures. In other words, this could be a more spa looking site and you might want to make a gambling website out of it or whatever. Don't necessarily worry about the pictures as much as the look and feel of it. So if I were to click on this one, I can actually bring up this website and wow, I really may like that sliding thing, or I may not like that sliding thing. I may not like this static background in the back. Whatever it is, you get people or you decide yourself what kind of site you want it to look like. This one's going to be fairly similar with another sliding style. But you say, I like the look and feel of this site. I like these colors. Now you can change the colors, but whenever I'm talking to a client, it's nearly impossible to discuss, especially over the phone, what it is they like or don't. So I almost always just send them here, tell them pick something they like, and then we'll customize it from there. So we're going to look through this thing, and the one that I like, I think I decided I liked Blogger 3. Let's see, Blogger 3. I think I decided I like this one. Again, you can change it. I mainly want this kind of stuff. I want these little windowy things down here, but we're at least going to build this project on this one. So once you have that, you want to go ahead and buy the theme. Now, I don't do a ton of affiliate stuff. I have a little bit, but in the description of this video and all the videos in the course, I do have an affiliate link. Say I have 5 active licenses for this right now, not counting all the ones I purchased before. But I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video that does help me out. I'm not doing this course so that you will buy the affiliate, but I don't charge for the course, so if you're going to buy this theme, buying through my link definitely helps out a little bit. So I would appreciate that. But anyway, once you buy this thing, you'll be able to download it, and you want to download the WordPress files and download your license. And then once you have that, you're going to go over to WordPress. Once you have the theme file, you are going to go to Appearance and Themes and Add New, and then Upload Theme. So I've chosen the file and I'm going to install now. Now, if you do have a limited web server, you may have problems uploading this big of a file, and it may make sense to unzip it on your computer and then use your web host's uploading feature to actually upload the individual files. And when you do that, you are going to upload it to your root file, and then you're going to go into WP content and themes, and you're just going to copy the entire Betheme folder in with the rest of your themes, and that's how you would install it manually if you're having a problem uploading a file that big. So once you have it, we're going to go ahead and activate the theme, and that'll take a couple seconds, and you are going to paste in the registration code that you have, and I'm going to do that offline. So I've registered my theme, and you can see that it's blanked out the end of the code here. And while I'm here, I'm going to take a look. There are some things on the PHP info that may need to be adjusted. If any of these are wrong, you may want to talk to your hosting provider about fixing any of this stuff. Just tell them what this thing says, and they will most likely help you fix it. And so anyway, we have the theme installed, and we are kind of on our way. Now, if we were to just come here to another maker, we'll just come to our little site here, and you can see that now we have Betheme and all this stuff. So nothing too fancy. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to start playing around with installing our plugins. So we're going to go to bundled plugins. Now, what's neat, there's a lot here, but this theme comes with a bunch of pre-paid for plugins that we're going to use for different things. So we're going to go ahead, just to start with, I'm going to check all, and I'm going to install them all. Now, I'm probably not going to use most of these, and they're going to get uninstalled, but the reason why I do this is because when we clone our website to look like the example site, I want everything to work as much as possible when we first do that cloning. So go ahead and install all the plugins, even if you have no plans on using them at all. Now, in my experience, that step can take anywhere from about a minute to 10 minutes, and it's not uncommon for one or two of the plugins to fail because you're asking the server to do a lot, especially if you're on a shared server. So in the event that one of those doesn't install, go ahead and check it and reinstall it. But once you get to that point, you can come back to the required plugins installer, and then you're going to check them all and you're going to activate them all. That only takes a couple of seconds, but now that they're all here, you can check to make sure that all of these plugins, there should be 7 of them, and they should all be active. So we're going to do one more thing. We're going to go to the plugin manager, and there are 2 other ones. The Kismet we're going to leave in the deactivated state. We're going to delete the Hello Dolly thing. It's just stupid. And then we're going to go to add new, and we're going to type in disable Gutenberg. I think it's ERG? Might be URG. Actually, I just saw it right there. Disable Gutenberg. Now, Gutenberg is the new editor for WordPress, and it's so popular that 400,000 people are happy to rate 5-star anything that turns that piece of garbage off. So we're going to install this plugin, and then we're going to activate this plugin. Great. So now we are all on the same page. We have Betheme installed, and you'll see that there's a whole bunch of new options here. We just had a few over here. Now we have clients and portfolio and slides and testimonials, and you've basically given yourself a bajillion new features for your WordPress site. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Betheme, and we're going to go to theme options. Okay, so I wanted to double check, but if you did not change your Just Another WordPress site before, you're going to want to change it here and then go back and change it under the WordPress settings again. If you've already changed it, they've updated the template to where it grabs that. But if you don't have it, then you'll actually wind up with the Just Another WordPress site in 2 different places, and you'll think you've gotten rid of it and you didn't. So that is the installation of Betheme, and in the next video, we are going to start making our website look like the demo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.